Now we shall discuss the introduction to the third stage of civil cases in UK, and it is related to in which court should proceedings be commenced. So if the pre-action protocols do not result in settlement, the first thing is that um, we should follow pre-action protocol, and the best way forward is result in the settlement. But if it does not happen, settlement does not happen between the parties, and the court proceedings need to be commenced, some thought will need to be given as to the appropriate court, whether the High Court or the County Court in which the civil proceedings shall commence. Having an awareness of the court structures will assist you in deciding in which court should you commence your client's claim, or if acting for a defendant in considering if it is necessary for the claim to be transferred to another court. So there are many claims in civil cases, and if the money claims are less than £100,000, it must be commenced in county court, and if the money claims are over £100,000, it may be started in either court but should be started in High Court. If the claimant believes appropriate because of the financial value or complexity importance to public. Note that the threshold limit for claims to start in the High Court changed from £25,000 to £100,000 in 2014. Before 2014, you could start money claim in High Court between £25,000 to £100,000, but after 2014 you don't have this right, and you could only go in the High Court if your money claims are over £100,000. Claims under £100,000 started in High Court will generally be transferred to County Court for trial. So now we shall discuss the personal injury claims. So the personal injury claims under £50,000 must be started in the County Court, and over in relationship to the High Court, we will also consider the appropriate division in which the claims will be heard in Queen Bench, Chancery, or Family Division in the future videos. Note that this is only the introduction. If the claim is not going to be commenced in the High Court of Justice in the Strand, then the appropriate district registry will also need to be selected. While you may choose one that is convenient geographically for your client, the courts are usually more sympathetic to the defendant. The county court has moved to one single court, although claims brought in the county court can be commenced in the county court hearing center. And there are also special rules which apply to the claims of specified sums of money. So what you need to now know is that for money claims under £100,000, you must go to the county court, and over £100,000 you may go to the High Court based upon the fact that if the case is of rather complex nature or not, and hold public importance or not. And for personal injury claims, you have to go to the county court if the claim is under £50,000.